Imagine a universe of creativity, not born from stardust but from data. This is the universe of generative artificial intelligence. It is a new kind of artist. This AI learns, it creates, it can make images, music, and even stories. We are witnessing a fascinating shift in the art world. Art has always been a human endeavor, and machines are joining the creative process. This changes how we think about art. It challenges our definitions of an artist. What does it mean to create? AI makes us ask these big questions. Generative AI is not just a tool, it is more like a collaborator. Think of it as a new kind of apprentice. This apprentice learns from vast amounts of existing art. It studies styles, colors, and forms. Then it uses this knowledge to generate something new, something unique. The significance of this technology in art is profound. It opens up entirely new avenues for expression. It allows for creations that a human mind alone might never conceive. We are only at the beginning of exploring these possibilities. The cosmos of art is expanding. The arrival of AI in art is like the invention of the camera. Some people were worried then. They thought photography would replace painting, but it did not. Instead, photography became its own art form. It also influenced painting. Artists started to see the world differently. AI might have a similar effect. It will not replace human artists. It will give them new ways to express their visions. It will push the boundaries of what art can be. This is a moment of great change. It is a moment of great potential. This technology is significant because it democratizes creation to some extent. People who may not have traditional artistic skills can now bring their ideas to life. They can use AI to visualize complex concepts. They can explore different artistic styles with ease. This accessibility is a powerful aspect of generative AI. It means more voices can contribute to the artistic conversation, more diverse perspectives can be shared. The art world becomes a richer, more varied place. It becomes a more inclusive universe of human and machine co-creation, reflecting an ever-evolving technological cosmos. How does an AI learn to paint a picture or compose a symphony? It begins with data. Lots and lots of data. Imagine feeding an AI thousands of images of cats or millions of musical notes. The AI studies these examples. It looks for patterns. It learns the rules. These rules are not programmed by humans directly. The AI discovers them on its own. This learning process is often powered by something called neural networks. These are complex systems inspired by the human brain itself. They are designed to recognize patterns. One popular type of generative AI is called a GAN. This stands for Generative Adversarial Network. Think of it as two AIs working together, or rather against each other. One AI is the generator. It tries to create new images that look real. The other AI is the discriminator. It tries to tell the difference between real images and the fake ones made by the generator. They compete. The generator gets better at making fakes. The discriminator gets better at spotting them. This constant battle pushes both AIs to improve. It's like an artistic arms race driving innovation. Another method is called a diffusion model. Imagine a clear image. Now slowly add noise to it until it's just static. Diffusion models learn to reverse this process. They start with random noise, then step by step they remove the noise. They refine the image. They bring forth a coherent picture from the chaos. This process allows for incredible detail and realism. Artists can guide these models using text prompts. They describe what they want to see. The AI then attempts to generate that vision from the digital noise guided by human language. The AI is not simply copying, it is generating something original based on what it has learned. It combines elements in new ways. It can create styles that have never been seen before. It can imagine creatures that do not exist. The key is the vast data set and the clever algorithms. The AI finds connections and relationships in the data that humans might miss. It then uses these insights to build its creations. It's a form of digital alchemy, turning raw data into artistic gold. This is the core of AI's ability to produce unique and innovative art. It's a computational universe, birthing new forms. Human artists are not standing by idly. They are embracing these new AI tools. They are exploring how AI can enhance their own creativity. Some artists use AI to generate initial ideas or to create complex backgrounds. Others use it to experiment with different styles quickly. It is like having a tireless assistant with a vast knowledge of art history. an assistant that can produce countless variations on a theme. This collaboration can lead to exciting new artistic directions. It pushes artists to think in new ways and explore uncharted territory with greater speed. One famous example of AI-generated art is Edmund de Bellamy. This portrait was created by an AI. It was sold at a major auction house, Christie's, in 2018. It fetched a surprisingly high price. This event sparked a lot of discussion. Is this really art? Who is the artist? Is it the AI, or the humans who programmed the AI, or the humans who fed it data? These questions are still being debated, but Edmund de Bellamy showed the world that AI could produce compelling artwork. It made the art world take notice. It was a signal flare from the digital frontier. Many digital artists now incorporate AI into their workflow seamlessly. They might use AI to generate textures, patterns, or even entire characters. Then they refine these elements using traditional digital painting software. It is a partnership. The AI provides the raw material or a surprising twist. The human artist provides the vision, the curation, and the final touch. This blend of human skill and machine capability is where much of the innovation lies. It's not about AI replacing artists, it's about AI empowering them. Artists are like cosmic explorers, using AI as a new kind of telescope. Consider the artist Refik Anadol. He uses vast data sets like millions of nature images or city photographs to create stunning, immersive AI data sculptures and visualizations. His work transforms data into flowing, dreamlike visuals. It's a powerful example of how AI can help us perceive information and the world around us in entirely new artistic ways. Artists are also using AI to create interactive installations, art that responds to the viewer, art that changes and evolves. This is a dynamic new frontier, a frontier where the line between creator and tool becomes beautifully blurred. With great power comes great responsibility. Generative AI in art raises important ethical questions. One major concern is copyright. If an AI is trained on millions of copyrighted images, who owns the art it creates? Does the AI's creation infringe on the rights of the original artists whose work formed the training data? These are complex legal and moral issues. The concept of authorship is also challenged. If an AI creates a masterpiece, who gets the credit? The programmer, the user who wrote the prompt, or the AI itself? Our current laws are struggling to keep up with this rapid technological advance. Another ethical consideration is the potential impact on human artists. Will AI tools devalue human skill? Could they lead to fewer opportunities for traditional artists? Some fear a future where art is mass-produced by machines, where the unique touch of a human hand is lost. However, history shows that new technologies often create new roles rather than simply destroying old ones. Perhaps AI will free human artists from repetitive tasks, allowing them to focus on higher-level concepts and truly original ideas. The human element of intention and emotion may become even more valued. The future of AI in art is likely to be one of continued integration. We will see even more sophisticated AI tools, tools that are easier to use, tools that offer even greater creative control. AI could help us understand art history better. It could analyze artworks to reveal hidden patterns or influences. It might even help us define what makes a piece of art successful or impactful. The possibilities are vast, like staring into the night sky. Each point of light, a potential new discovery. We are just beginning to map this new creative universe. In summary, generative AI is profoundly reshaping the art world. It offers incredible new ways to create and experience art. It acts as a powerful collaborator for human artists. It pushes the boundaries of imagination. Yes, there are ethical challenges to navigate, questions of ownership, originality, and impact on artists. But the journey has begun. Like the universe itself, the world of art is constantly expanding, constantly evolving. AI is another force in that evolution, a force that promises to bring forth wonders we can currently only dream of. The canvas of the future is vast, and AI is one of its most exciting new pigments.